Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the APX Carry. This is made by Beretta. This is a striker fired gun that has an MSRP of about $350. I paid $335 for it. It's a subcompact, so it's designed specifically for concealed carry. Comes in a cardboard box like so. Open it up, get a nice little diagram that talks about some of the features. Get a carrying case. It has a soft material on the inside of the case. You got the gun itself. I'll come back to that in a second. It does come with two magazines. One is an 8-round magazine. One is a 6-round magazine. You get your manuals and you get a lock. So that is everything contained in the box. Let's go ahead and get to the start of the show. This is the Beretta APX Carry. Comes in a couple of different configurations. As I said, this is the smallest one and it's designed for concealed carry. So the barrel length on this is going to be 3 inches. Your overall length is going to be 5.63 inches. You got a height of 4.17 inches and a width of 0.9 inches. The weight on this is 19.8 ounces, and you got a 6.5 pound trigger pull. As I mentioned earlier, the magazines are 8-round and 6-round, plus you can carry one in the chamber if you choose to, making it total of 9 rounds. This gun has a lot of very unique features, which I'm going to discuss in the full review. This is considered modular. It's a lot of different things that you can change on here without a lot of work. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, Beretta APX Carry. I'll link the information down below so you can check this gun out. Price, once again, I paid $335. MSRP around $350. I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out. Peace.